Welcome back to Auto Show Cars. Today, we're taking a close look at one of the most aggressive and technologically advanced superbikes on the planet, the Aprilia RSV 41100 Factory. Built for speed, precision, and pure racing DNA, the RSV 4 is not just a motorcycle, it's a masterpiece born on the track and refined for the street. With its 1099cc V4 engine, this beast produces a jaw-dropping 217 horsepower, giving you lightning-fast acceleration and a top speed that crosses 305 kilometers per hour. But it's not just about raw power. The Aprilia RSV 41100 Factory is packed with advanced electronics. You get cornering abs, traction control, wheelie control, engine braking management, and a quick shifter, all of which can be customized through its TFT display. Whether you're riding on a track or tearing up the highway, this bike adapts to your every move. One look at its design and it screams performance. The aerodynamic winglets, aggressive LED headlights, and sharp body lines are inspired straight from MotoGP. The signature black and yellow livery with red alloy wheels makes it stand out from the crowd. This bike doesn't just ride fast, it looks fast standing still. Aprilia has also equipped the RSV 4 with top-tier hardware. You'll find Öhlins semi-active suspension, Brembo-style brakes, and lightweight components that ensure maximum control and handling at any speed. Every curve, every turn, this machine responds like it's reading your mind. If you're a fan of high-performance motorcycles, the RSV 41100 Factory is a dream come true. It's not just a bike, it's an experience, a thrilling combination of Italian engineering, power, and beauty. So, would you ride the Aprilia RSV 4? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Auto Show Cars, and hit the bell icon for more superbike reviews, comparisons, and amazing automotive content. Thanks for watching, and remember, ride safe and ride smart.